Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today girlies, we are doing an unboxing of a beauty box that I managed to get my hands on. Now I'm a little bit late to the party, but as they say, better late than never, and I know you guys are gonna love this box. Unfortunately it is sold out. Before we get into the video, give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and let's get into the video. Okay, so today's unboxing I'm gonna do is the Cosmetips and Molly-Mae beauty box. Now, like I said, it's sold out, but I just needed to share it because I absolutely love these boxes. I think they're absolutely fantastic and they are such good value for money, and I was just so excited when I managed to get my hands on one of these. So let me share with you today what's inside. I just love the presentation, it's gorgeous. So you've got your lovely little card, and inside it tells you a little bit about Molly-Mae and then all the products that are inside the box, and there's some amazing products and some stuff that I ran out of, and I was lucky enough to get it in the box. So let's get into it. This is what the box looks like inside. Okay, so first up we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now this is a fab mascara, can never have enough of it, so that's one of them to keep in there. Then next up we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Now it was so funny because we were all, when they were doing just the sneak peeks of the box, we were like, oh my god, everyone was like, what is that big box, that Elemis box? And I was like, that's got to be the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, because it better be, because I ran out and this is what I was like hoping to get. And when I think I sent a story on Insta story saying, is that the cleansing balm? And they messaged me back, the lovely owner of Cosmetips messaged me back, she's like, how did you know that was that? Just a wild guess. No, it's just something that I really wanted. So yeah, that is the Elemis cleansing balm. It's absolutely amazing. Like I said, I've run out of mine. You get the cloth with it as well, which is always handy to have. And then got the balm there. This is the Pro Collagen one. It is fantastic stuff. Okay, then next up we have another Elemis product, and this is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream for fine lines and wrinkles, and it's going to firm, smooth and hydrate. So yeah, I've never tried this product before, so I'm intrigued to see what it looks like. So this is what that looks like. These products are so expensive, so this box is just worth, this on its own is £87, and the balm, cleansing balm, is £44. So straight away you're getting your money, you're worth your money here. Can't wait to give them a try. You guys know me and my cleansing skincare, I absolutely love it. Then next up we have an Ole Henriksen product. I've never ever tried this brand before, and I have heard so much rave about the Banana Bright Face Primer, so I'm really excited to give it a try. And it's a brightens all day, blurs and primes, instantly illuminates, hydrates and improves foundation wear all day with vitamin C. So I'm really excited. Like I said, I've never tried this product before, or this brand before, but I hear going on about how amazing this product is, so definitely going to give it a try. Has it got a banana smell on? Next up we have a Marc Jacobs eyeshadow palette. So we have a Marc Jacobs eye palette, and this is in the Fantasy. God, that's stunning. So that is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Oh, gorgeous are they. That is what you call a palette. If I was going on holiday I would just take this, but I'm not going on holiday, not this year. That is that, and that's worth £40. Absolutely beautiful. Then next up we have a Rifi brow sculpt in the shade Clear. So it's basically for your brows by the looks of it. Do you know what it smells like? Remember PVA glue when you were a kid at school? That's what that smells of. Okay, and apparently, oh, there's a brush to comb there, so that's in the lid, and that's worth £16. Then next up we have a Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in the Universal Lip in Diamond Milk. This is worth £17. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Got like a nice shimmer to that. Stunning. That, because it's not sticky, that's actually nice to put as a highlighter, isn't it? Maybe. Okay, so that is Fenty Beauty. We're still going. Then next up we have a Rodeo Beauty, I love this brand, jelly eye patches in Freeze and Smooth Snake Patch Contour, and they are the new jelly skin eye patches, The new snake jelly eye patches visibly relax and diminish the look of crow's feet and under eye expression lines with the powerful effects of 1% snake tripeptides to actively freeze under eye muscle contractions for a plump, smooth and rejuvenated under eye area. So that's that, and they are worth £9. We're still going, guys, we're still going. Like, this box is incredible. Honestly, it was such good value for money. You're getting some really good brands there. And yeah, so next up we have a matte. Obviously we've got the Ruby Woo matte lipstick, the famous Ruby Woo lipstick. Absolutely stunning. I actually don't own this lipstick, but now I do. So there you go. It's the dark red, isn't it? That pure, that is what you call a red. Absolutely stunning. And molly-mae is quite known for her red lipsticks, isn't she? I mean, she looks absolutely stunning in red. Okay, so that's retailing at £17.50. And then last but not least, we have a Sunday Riley, the Lunar Sleeping Night Oil. Next generation retinoid oil reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. The packaging is absolutely stunning. Ooh. Very luxurious, isn't it? And that is what that looks like. And this is retailing at £45. It's got a nice smell to it. God, that's strong. It's got a... So Luna works throughout the night to deliver visibly youthful, luminous, even-toned skin in the morning. I'm going to try this out tonight, I think. Trans retinoic acid ester complex reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while visibly improving the signs of premature aging, fine lines, uneven texture, age spots, dryness and dullness, balanced with blue tannency and German chamomile essential oils, both rich in soothing, blue azulene, visible redness, and the signs of sensitivities are neutralized for a calm, even-toned complexion. Definitely going to give this a go. But wow, what a box. I mean, honestly, if you got your hands on it, let me know in the comments down below if you got your hands on this box. I love this Cosmetips boxes. They literally come out with a limited edition. They come out with a certain amount, and once they're gone, they're gone. And it's just so nice, because it just means that everything is just all, and also these are all molly-mae's favorite products as well. They do some really good collaborations with influencers, celebrities, I think, and yeah, it's really good. You know, maybe put it on the dream board one day to be part of it. I don't know, you never know. Cosmetips and Beauty and the Kids. Yeah, I wish. But anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on another video on Beauty and the Kids. Oh, and PS, yes, I'm in my PJs. It's a chilled one today. Bye guys.